Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S and I'm gonna show you a few tricks you can use on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it, swipe upwards on the screen, then tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select advanced features. And right here on the top we have a first thing I want to show you, Xcover key. Let's tap on it. And here we have few options. Action, press and hold. And what this menu allows you to change is basically customize this button right here. And when you press it now, it says torch. And when you press it, it will turn on the flashlight, like that. And when you press and hold it, it will turn on the IPLA app. We can customize it. So to do it, just tap on press. And for example, select calendar. And when we press it now, it will open the calendar app. Now let's go back to the settings. When we press and hold and select, for example, torch again, we can press and hold to turn on the flashlight. And on the bottom, we can also turn on the option that we can use this button while the screen is locked. Now let's go back and scroll down right here and find motions and gestures. Let's tap on it, and here's few useful things you can use. First one is a smart stay. Basically your screen will be constantly on while you're looking at it if you turn this option on. So let's turn it on by tapping the slider right here. Below we have smart alert, and this option allows you to you will receive when you have missing calls or receiving messages, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up with your hand. Another option is an easy mute, and this option allows you to mute incoming calls by just turning your phone face down. And on the bottom we have swipe to call or send messages, and you can just swipe on your contacts to call them or send the message. Let's go back to advanced features. And let's find one-handed mode right here. Let's tap on it, and that's another useful thing I want to show you. And to turn it on, we just tap on it, this slider right here. And what this feature does is basically you can use your phone easier with one hand. And to turn it on, we need to select the button option on the bottom, because we have a physical button on our phone, and then we need to press it 3 times to turn it on, like this. And now we can use our phone easier with only one hand, like this. You can also switch sides by tapping this icon right here on the left side, like that, this arrow, or you can tap on settings to open this menu. To exit this mode, you just need to tap on the black area around the screen, like that. Let's turn this off and go back. Another thing I want to show you is a split screen. So let's go back, open, for example, OneDrive, and now press the up button, the left one. Here, let's go to OneDrive. Tap on the icon on the top, like that, and select open in split screen view. Now we need to select another app we want to open in split screen, so let's select settings, for example, like that. And as you can see, we can use 2 apps at the same time on the splitted screen, like this. This option is quite useful when you want to do a few things at the same time. And to exit this option, you just need to press the left button again and tap on this X icon on the top, like this, and then press home button to go to home screen. And last thing I want to show you is a little trick that can help you sometimes, I believe. just open the quick panel, and here we have a flight mode icon, basically airplane mode. And whenever you have problems with reception or with your internet, you can just turn on the airplane mode to disconnect from all cell towers and the networks. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it off to reconnect to the cell towers and the networks. And hopefully this will fix your issues with the internet and reception. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.